Hi everyone, welcome to my week 4 reflection. I'm changing it up this week because we've been challenged to do some other media besides just writing out paragraphs on a reflection. So I'm doing a little audio recording with some visual aids included so you can see some of the work that I've done this week. First, I'm going to start you out with a riddle. What do these three objects and our class have in common? Are you stumped? Well, they are all half of something at 50%, and that's where our class is right now. And I'm really excited about being at the halfway mark, and it's a little nerve-wracking at the same time. I'm excited because we survived these 4 weeks and we completed a lot, a lot of media projects. I feel that I have grown creatively and have learned how to organize my work process, project management, how to get it done more efficiently. The nerve-wracking part comes because I know more will be expected of us beyond this point, and that's where there's real stretching, like Elastic Girl, comes in. We have to kick it up a notch, produce a little bit more, push ourselves a little further than we have before. So I'm excited, but kind of anxious on how that's going to work out. This week, we are challenged to study the products of one classmate and some of the works they've put out there and remix their work. I really enjoyed learning more about Brian, and I hope I gave his original work the respect it deserved. He has amazing work, and it was really hard to choose one or two different bits of it to remix, and I hope he enjoys the work that I've done. The readings and videos this week made me explore more about what remixing is, what it can be, what I can and can't remix, and where originality comes from. Hypothesis discussions were really exciting and enlightening this week. I started a couple of really good threads. There were some other really good comments out there talking about creativity and is it dead? Is it alive? What's allowed? What's just somebody copying somebody else's work? So there were some really good comments this week, and I enjoy participating in those discussions. I had the opportunity to work with a couple different tools as I was doing some of my projects this week. For my daily create, I used an app called Pop.comics. It's really cool. I have it on my phone. You put a selfie into it, which is what I did, and I was able to do some different effects, play around with it, color, style. I put a conversation bubble in it, put some words into it. It was pretty fun, and I enjoyed doing that challenge. For my assignment bank, I knew I needed to do something that was more web-based um, for that part of the assignment, and I did the Hack the News project with Mozilla X-Ray goggles. I went to Fox News page and I changed some of the headlines and some of the images to reflect the futuristic theme of colonies being formed on Mars, the first travelers that would reach there. And I added a few little fun little headlines below the main headline and changed some of the images out. It was pretty interesting. I was a little disappointed with Mozilla's tool. It was not as user friendly as it should be. There was a lot of glitches, and I had to change some browsers and try some different things, and I was able to pull it together to come up with a final project, but it was really hard when I would search and troubleshoot, and there was not a lot of information to be found, so that was slightly disappointing. Overall, though, this was a fun week. I had some new experiences, and I hope they will help me in the future as I produce a lot more projects in the second part of this class, and I'm just ready to go and get started on the second part of the class. All right, everybody. Goodbye for now.